Hello everybody. Today I show you this fruit. I did make a video about this fruit last time, but I not focused on the fruit. I sat there and I open it and I talk. So today I made a video just focus on the fruit. This is Durian. And this is tropical fruits. You can see this. Yep, it's shabby pink. Yep. Uh, People have a bag like this, and you can. Yeah, it's a little. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you how to open it. This is a drawing, and this fruit is supposed to be really just smell. But somehow the fruit I bought here is not as strong, not smell at all. You know that the durian I know since I the little, if you have one ripe, you put some leaves in your house, you will smell that. Even though you stand outside or in the garage, but here I sniff on this. It's no smell to me at all. I don't know. This one is different variety, I think. Another one, but it's not a strong smell. That's not the durian to me. But anyway, this is durian. The physically this is durian, but for the yeah. Usually this is back is too good. No good. But anyway, sometimes I use this. I don't know. I catch something, but it's the bark is no longer good. So anyway, but I open see this. See, can you open it? Or you can use a knife to just cut and take it out to cut this through the back. But anyway, yep. Here it says close. Oh, look close. How's that? Can I hold this? Yeah. And then can I hold it? Yeah. This is a small one. Anyway, let me open for you to see. Let me go to loud so you focus on the fruit so you can see how I do. How to open it? You see in the bottom here, this here. I just put the knife in here. You can see that's a split already. But it's a mature and it's bright, so that's easy for you to do it. If it's still not bright yet, it's all young. It's when you put the knife, it's not like that. That's not split like that. The apple, Okay, now I can smell the durian. But before that, no, I didn't smell the durian at all. Look at this one. Oh, this one they don't it's not in the frozen freezer long because you can see this everything is still white. If you open it, it's kind of dark here. That means it's frozen very long because the frozen very long, and then the cold will damage the shell, and you can see this the darker the shell and the hair that are longer, especially longer here. That means there's first in the for the door that's the durian was in the freezer too long. This one is kind of fresh. See, it's still on good. Okay, here. I got one here. Ta-da. This I got two. Four. Six. And this one is a 4. This is 10. I got 10 of them. Let's see. I got 10. These are 4 because this one, this I take out this one. So here, that's Durian. So you know how to take the knife to like you have to chop it up or stuff like that. Yep. Let me take this one and try and see how compared to another one. Let me take this one. That's not bad compared to the last one I bought because it's so fresh out. See, you can see my other review, the one I opened the last time, the new one I bought. It's dark. The seed you can cook to eat, but the last one I have is unable to cook it because it's damaged. The seed is damaged by cold. Yeah. Okay, that's not bad. So this one I choose is not bad this time. Oh, this one I bought $9. It's less than $10. Actually, I didn't pay it. My brother paid it. So that's it, $10. I got 10 pieces of them, $10, one for each. Okay, that is the Durian. Let me wash my hand. I show you what I learned. I learned from the internet. Yeah. This time I choose the I satisfy with the one I choose. I chose it this time, and that's why I'm happy. Yeah, what I got on the internet, they say about the durian. Not this one. This one. My purpose of a video I show you is how to eat the durian. I come up with this. You can eat fresh, I just open and eat like I just eating it. And there's another way you can eat the durian and use the durian, not eat. Yeah, you eat, but later it's not directly eaten, but it's indirect. You make the cat for the cat filling in another way. Let's see, it's fresh cat filling, a smoothie. You can add in the ice cream when you make the ice cream to be have the durian flavor for is right fresh cat filling smoothie, ice cream flavor, also a popsicle too. Right. And you can, peel out the flesh and then put in a Ziploc or somewhere you put in the freezer, and you can eat later, like the frozen fruits. It's just like. In another way is when you cook, you make the sticky rice. That's a glutinous rice. You cook it, and that's the kind of sticky rice. You mix the durian there. That's become flavor of durian. It's a 7. Or it's just a 7. I think 7. You can add to make the candy. When you make a candy, you can. Excuse me, you add this in, this is 8. Some of the, you can eat fresh, or you can eat the frozen as a frozen fruit, or you can make a smoothie to eat in and you can make for the main thing is the snack includes candy or stuff like that, or the desserts, the sweet desserts or something like that. And sweet desserts like the cake filling. So that's the 5 ways, right? It's fresh, frozen, smoothie, sweet desserts, snack. Yeah, it's mainly the 5. Oh, the sticky rice too. Because the sticky rice not belong to snack or dessert. Yeah, sometimes depend on, some people make that as a snack. Some others make the main course like rice. So that is a list of 5 ways, 6 ways to eat germs. Yeah, and then I got the list. I researched online. Here, you can take a look. This is my sum up stuff. Can you see all of them? Yeah. And I got another page too. And I got one more page on the back here. Yep. So I search on Dr. Google, not the Dr. Google, but I use Dr. Google as for searching. I found out a website about medical thing. It was written by medical personnel or something like that. They wrote, they not analyze or which they collect stuff and analyze there, and I read down all what the main the words they said about durians. So that's when they say durian fruit is a tropical fruit, and durian has many varieties, and they have durian has a spiky outer shell and a very strong smell and a strong smell. And so they said it's a very high nutrition content compared to other fruits. And there's a hard shell, outer shell, large side, pungent smell, and custard, light fast and creamy flesh. And the lashy, yellow color flesh, yeah. And they says there's some white or green or red or flesh too. But since I know durian, that's just a kind of vegetable yellow. And They said people use as it used in the sweet and sour dishes. In the flesh and the sea is edible. Yeah, like I said, you can cook it, the sea, and eat, or you can use it to grow. But I'm not sure if you can grow in the U.S. It's tasting like combination of cheese, almonds, garlic, caramel all together. That's what it says. And so this says the Durian is rich in fiber, B vitamins, vitamin C, and they also said that it has been used in traditional Malaysian medicines. Over there they use the leaves, hush roots, and fruit for some sorts of traditional medicine. That's when in Vietnam I have never heard about that, or probably because I'm too young to know. Also, this is from the Durian fruit there is very expensive. And also, Vietnam is not, Durian originally there. Actually, the Durian in Vietnam is the original, came from South Asia, like Malaysia, Indonesia. I think Indonesia, Malaysia, somewhere like that. That's a part of in South Vietnam by press, Catholic press. They said that over there Malaysian made it at they use some traditional Malaysian medicine include for the treatment like high fever, generalized skin conditions. And so on this the website where I got this information, I think the website name medicaltoday.com or something like that. Sorry, I forgot to write it down. I think I do have the website. I need to tell you later. And it says that some study or many study, I forgot. It says that during the reduce the cancer risk, prevents the heart disease, fights infection, lowers the blood sugar. I don't know. Since I know Durian, I have never heard that, but I don't know. But they said that some studies at that, but that's is so promised. It's not like 400 sure. Especially now, all the first people show this is reduce the cancer risk or something like that. But to me, it's not depend on the body too. The fruit is good, but then your body have more stuff in there, and you eat it, and it's not benefit, but it's kind of worse too sometimes. That's my opinion, by what I think. I don't know. I just and they says the studies, many have been done on animal and test tubes, not on the human. That's when I saw that message. Okay. Because these fruits in Asia, Southeast Asia are expensive too. This is a normal family that don't have money to buy to eat. Only the rich people back then, as I know, even though now I think it's some people with the more money they eat it, but if they don't have money, they don't have a chance to eat. Sometimes the family have the children, but they keep to sell, but they don't eat them because they want to sell to get money. So Durian is it's a popular in the Southeast Asia countries, and then very expensive too. And also on the website they say they have if if you eat durian and you drink at the same time alcohol, at the same time there's a cause problem. They say because they said the story says some study or some running sometime where it says it's because the sulfur-like compounds prevent certain enzyme from breaking down alcohol, causing increased alcohol level in blood. Symptoms like nausea, vomiting, heart palpitation. Oh, they say the scientists believe. I'm sorry, I wrote on the side here, but I forgot about that. That's just a belief. So, and I don't know, but I never heard that. But I can tell you, if you drink alcohol, you should not eat anything sweet, because the sweet they have a sugar. When get in combined with alcohol, they have some kind of reaction between the alcohol, because the alcohol is they have enzyme. It's like, I forgot the word, but that stuff combined with the sugar, that's made the reaction is bigger, and depending on the amount of you drink and the amount of you eat the fruit sweet stuff, probably you got the more you eat, both them drink and eat, this is cause a big problem. That's thing many generation they carry on like that. If you drink alcohol, don't ever eat anything sweet, because the sugar, they didn't explain it, but I know they told, from this generation to another generation like that. But to me, when I got that, I thought about, because the sweet have sugar and alcohol, because to make the alcohol, until alcohol, they have to keep very long to get be turned into alcohol. So these enzymes with the sweet, they go together, they create like science, when you do in the lab, they should react too strong, too big. So the more you drink alcohol and eat fruit, or the more food, you get a big problem. The smell, some people love, they say smell kind of love and hate, but I know majority is people love the smell, and just rarely people hate it, as I know in the Vietnam. But to me, yeah, there's certain point, certain time, and couple years before my dad passed away, my dad and me have the problem with the smell of the durian, especially my dad. So now I'm thinking, if you hate the smell of the durian, probably you have some sort of health issue, but you did not know, like especially the lung or something like that, or like you got allergy because when you got allergy, you have some smell make you sneezing, correction, this different type of allergy. So, but now I have no problem with the smell right now. I don't know. That's, yeah, let me go to that. Let me see. Can I go to that website? I tell you. That's. I think it's a medical. Let me see. Let me show. I've got Durian. Um, Sorry, when I said this website and medicaltoday.com, it's not. I got this information on healthlight.com and slash nutrition slash Durian dash food like that. So that's let me go over the what is this here. It says approximately harmful in a combination of alcohol. Consuming Durian at the same time as alcohol can cause a problem. Scientists believe that sulfur-like compounds in Durian may prevent certain enzymes from breaking down alcohol, causing increased alcohol level in your blood. This could lead to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and heart palpitations. To be safe, avoid eating durian and drinking alcohol at the same time. Yep. Okay, that's for the durian today. Yeah, I just want to show you how to eat it, because I talk a lot as well. It's not bad. Yep. I Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.